Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the dual Bible version feature inside of Bible Song Pro. So to access that, if you come over to this menu bar here, this is the icon for the dual Bible version. Once you click on it, you see the dual Bible version. You can check it to enable. So the primary version currently is the message version, and you can select the secondary version you want to choose. I'm choosing New King James Version. So immediately I click that, it adds that right on the screen. So you can easily just go that way, and you're good to go. You just go, you can switch from there to lower third as well. So you have something like this for your lower third, and then you have something like this for your full screen. And you can add double lines if you want to. You could see it's overflowing this thing there, so you are going to go to full screen, and you can reduce the font size if you discover that it's going overboard, especially when you are in certain scriptures that have a very long word length. So you might want to reduce the font size. I'm going to do that here. So I've got something here, so I could take that back down. But majorly, because you are working with dual Bible mode, dual Bible version, I will advise you not to use double lines. I will just advise to just stick to a single line, because that makes sense more. So just not to overflood the whole screen and make the font size become too thin. I think the best thing is just for you to use a single line when in dual Bible version mode. So this look very nice, and if you are done, you can just easily just turn it off. And if you want to switch from, if you want to make the primary Bible to be the NKJV and the secondary to be message version, just come over here and select NKJV. It's going to switch them over, and you can also come over here and select the main version. If you want it to be this, is going to choose what you select to be the main version. So if I select message translation now, it's going to switch it over and make the message translation the primary Bible version. So that's pretty much. And if you're done, just click right here and disable, right? And the shortcut key is D. If you click on the keyboard and click D on your keyboard, alphabet D, you will get the window pops up. You select, and then you can go around it and choose what you want. If you are done, you can select D again, and then you can disable it. That's pretty much how to use the dual Bible version right inside of Bible Song Pro. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you have any question, you can just drop it in the comment section. I hope you find it helpful. Have a blessed day. God bless you.